One thing I really like about Vimeo compared to YouTube is the ability to update a video. So you've got a video and you find that something's wrong with it, or you want to create a newer version of it. You can put that in using the same URL, keeping your comments, keeping your view count, things like that. So let me show you a video here that I've uploaded and it's just the wrong resolution. And potentially this video has been embedded places. It's been viewed a bunch of times. It has SEO behind it, and I want to change it to a newer version. So here it is. Here's this video. This isn't something I would normally put on to Vimeo, but here it is. It's a video about me talking about a lawnmower, and you can see here that it already has one comment. This is me talking about how low resolution the video is. But let me show you how you can update this to a newer video. So you'll just go to Manage. And then once you're here, it's really pretty simple. Just go to the upper right-hand corner next to the share button, and there's 3 dots there. Click on that. Click on Replace Video. Find the new version that you want to upload. So it's going to take a little bit of time. You can see here that it's going to be replaced, but the viewer comments, likes, analytics, all that will not be affected. Okay, so it takes a couple minutes to upload the video and get it optimized, but now let's go ahead and go back to look at this video. So I'm just going to get the share link. You can see here the thumbnail is still the low resolution version, but let's look here what resolutions we can choose from. Okay, look at that. Now, as it's going through the optimization process, it's going to take a few minutes and it's going to get a slightly higher quality as we go. Let's upload again. It should be a 1080p video, I believe. So you can see earlier it was a 240p video. That was the highest resolution. Now we have a 540. So the resolution is improving, but we still have the comments. There were no views because I just uploaded this solely for this to make this video. But the comments are still there. The analytics would still be there. Everything would still be there. It's just going to take a few minutes for Vimeo to catch up here to get this optimized up to the highest quality. One thing I am noting though is it looks like the thumbnail did not get updated, so it did not put a new thumbnail on. That actually works pretty well. If you had this embedded somewhere, you wouldn't want the thumbnail to update to a new thumbnail. So you are going to want to go in and add a custom thumbnail to if you were just using a standard thumbnail, which would have been the old resolution or the old image. So update that. Otherwise, everything else is, the video itself is updated and you're good to go. Wherever this is embedded, this new video will be showing. Thanks for watching. Please give this a like if this was helpful. Oh, look, and we're now up to 1080p. So if we do that and we click play, you can see how much higher quality the video is now than it was originally.